Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And this is about practicing with advice that you have and that you've decided that you're ready for, that is appropriate now. And often people will go into a practice, a form, maybe even a longer practice or form, and have an intention for working with a particular practice, but then kind of lose sight of it. Right? They basically get distracted, their focus shifts. So, what I notice is often in Tàijíquán, we face many directions in the space that we're practicing in. And of course, as I've already said, we tend to kind of forget what my emphasis was going to be in this practice session. And I might replace my emphasis with some other perfectly helpful emphasis. Great. Um, but here, the idea would be to place a visual reminder of the advice that you'd like to take on and place it around the room in or the space. I'm not in a room, I'm outside, but place that advice, a visual reminder. Could be a note, could just be something, a picture of your teacher, right? Something that reminds you of that particular advice, so that as you're practicing and you turn that direction, that advice is right there. It's just another opportunity for it to stay front of mind, which means you get to keep it in your practice, which means you get to benefit from it. So enjoy that. Remember, this art has been built on advice giving, advice given to people who later give advice. And that requires people who learn how to take advice well. So I hope that includes you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.